Dog. It's almost small because I already eat it.
Nasaan tayo, kuya?
We are in Miracle Garden.
Where are we now?
We are in Miracle Garden.
Ano nakikita mo sa Miracle Garden?
I see Emirates.
Emirates airplane, no? Yeah, full of flowers. And then, what else?
Wait,
Oh, wag.
look away.
Ha?
Look away. No.
And then, what else? Elephant. What's that? What's that? Ano yan? Ano yan? Oh. Tapos, ano to? Castle. Ayan, castle din. Maganda ba?
Yes.
Happy ka?
Yes.
O makatusok ka ha? Nasaan na sila? Ay, dito na sa...
Nakita mo na naman yung princess eh.
Adam? 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 Ano tong pinasukan natin? Wow, ang lamig! Ang lamig na dito, guys. Ha? Ang ganda, ate. Thank you talaga, ate. Oo nga. Paul, what's that? Paul, explain mo dali, mag-vlog ka. Kung ano yan. What's that? What kind of bird is that?
Indian.
Ha?
Indian bird.
Indian bird? Really? Oh. Hi, Adam. Sabi ni Adam,